Good morning. I am Krishnamurthy. Today's quote is, it is written in Sanskrit language. Prithivyam Trini Ratnani Jalam Annam Subhashitam Mudaihi Pashana Kandeshu Ratna Sankhya Vidiyate. Means there are three most precious elements in the earth available. Those three elements are water, food, and good words. And foolish people consider stones and sand elements as a precious item in the world.
Two coils. Coil 1 is, this is coil 1. This is coil 2. Coil 1 is opened. Coil 1 opened, therefore, I1 equal to 0. It is mentioned that coil 1 is opened. Number of turns in the first coil is N1 equal to 200. And N2 equal to 600. Number of turns in the second coil equal to 600. Having coupling coefficient K equal to 0.8, it means what? The total flux produced by coil 1, 80% of the flux is linked with the coil 2. Or the flux produced by coil 2 links with 80% of the flux produced by coil 2 is linked with the coil 1. That is the meaning. K equal to 0.8. With coil 1 opened, already we opened, that's why I1 equal to 0 we wrote. Current of 5 ampere in coil 2. Coil 2 carries a current of 5 ampere. I2 equal to 5 ampere. The flux phi2 is, the flux in the second coil is phi2 equal to 0.25 milliweber. Find L1, L2 and M. We have to find L1, L2 and M. We can easily find L2. L2 equal to what? L2 equal to N2. N2 we know. Flux in the second coil divided by I2. Flux in the second coil is given 0.25 milliweber. Therefore, N2 is what? N2 is 600. Flux in the second coil is how much? 0.25 milliweber. That's why we can write into 10 power minus 3 Weber divided by I2 equal to how much? 5 ampere. It is given. Equal to how much? Find. 0.03 henries. We can find 512 flux. Here, flux is not produced by first coil. Why? Current equal to 0. That's why no flux is produced by first coil. Sorry, coil 1 doesn't produce any flux because I1 equal to 0. But flux produced by second coil links with the first coil. That flux is there. That's why the flux in the first coil is 512. 12 means what? The first suffix says flux in the first coil. 2 says because of current I2. Therefore, 512 equal to K times 522. 522. That is equal to how much? 0.8 multiplied by 0.25 into 10 power minus 3 Weber. That is equal to how much? 0.2 milliweber. Okay. Now we can find M. Mutual inductance we can find. M equal to what? M equal to M for first coil equal to M equal to N1. N1. We know the flux 512 from the second coil divided by I2. Because of I2. All in the first coil, inductance in the first coil because of second coil. That's why N1 alone is for first coil. All other things are because of second coil. While finding M is like L. M is like L. But here, this inductance is because of flux from the second coil and current in the second coil, but number of turns in the first coil. Number of turns in the first coil. That is equal to how much? 200 multiplied by flux from the second coil is 0.2 milliweber divided by I2 equal to 5. That is equal to how much? We can
0.008, sir. 0.008.
0.008 or 8 we got. We know one relation, that is M equal to K multiplied by square root of L1, L2. Here we know L2, we know M, we know K, we know K. So substitute all this is and find L1. Find L1. 8 into 10 power minus 3 equal to 0.8 square root of L1 we have to find, L2 equal to 0.03. This implies L1 equal to 8 10 power minus 3 whole square equal to 0.8 square L1 0.03. Therefore, this implies L1 equal to 8 10 power minus 3 whole square divided by 0.8 square and 0.03 equal to 33 into 10 power minus 3 Weber or 3.33 milliweber. Huh? Sorry, always I am telling wrongly. Henries. This is millihenries. Millihenries.